Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Went out to Yate today and picked up these two kits. They're both rubber powered. This is one of those Guinness World Record kits. Build your own wind powered car. Cost me 49p. Can you break the record for the fastest 5 meters travelled by wind power or the farthest distance travelled by wind power? Paladone is the company that makes these Guinness Book of World Records toys or kits. 2014 this one. Looks like all the bits are there. So we might give that a try. And then the other one, another one of those kids labs made by 4M. Cost me £1. Haven't opened it yet. That looks like the original seal. Oh no, it's been opened. Right, so what's going to be inside? Okay, looks like this one has been played with and put back in the box. So we've got the instructions, we've got a boat. I think that's hollow. 2 propellers it says there. Yeah, there are. There's 2 propellers. Don't know what the bit of string's for. Always read the instructions, couldn't I? We've got 3 wheels there. Let's have a quick look. Well, for some reason you can make a paper aeroplane shape to put on top of it, but it's not going to fly. A propeller racer. Okay. Or a propeller yacht. Where you mount the propeller underwater. Okay, so we'll put that together at some time as well. But what I was going to say was, rather than put them together in this video, because they're both rubber band powered, I'll build them in episodes of my Put a Rubber Band on It channel, which is a completely separate channel, and all I do on that channel is rubber band powered items, cars, boats. Haven't done an aeroplane on there yet, but I will do at some time or other. I've got about 80 odd videos on there at the moment, all different cars and boats. So I'll use these kits to do a couple of episodes on that channel. So if you want to see if they work, have a look at the video description and there'll be a link for the other channel. So there you go. That's today's charity shop gold or garbage. Just a quick follow on. I'm just looking through the parts list and we don't have all the parts. We don't have the parts for doing the boat properly. We haven't got this set up here, which sticks on underneath, and we don't have the mast and the boom, so we can't do the boat. That's a shame, and I'm sure I can use that for something else, but that's missing from the kit. So all we can do is the car.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.